wonder how online learning is getting so much smarter? It's all thanks to AI, and it's changing everything. First, AI personalizes your learning path, adapting to your pace. No more one-size-fits-all. It's tailored just for you. Next, AI tutors provide instant feedback and support anytime. Stuck on a concept? Get help immediately, 24/7. Finally, AI analyzes your progress, predicting areas where you might need extra help. It's making education more accessible and effective than ever before. Yes, I'm incredibly excited about what AI brings to learning. The future of education is here, and it's brilliant.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.